Hi friends, I'm Harsha from Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, which is affiliated with JNTU Hyderabad. Well, I'm here to discuss about a small application which is made using Microsoft C Sharp. Basically, the thing is that net savvies will be downloading some of the other stuff regularly. There may be sometimes like we need to go out while the download process is going on. But the download may complete in 2 hours and we'll be coming back after somewhere around 3 hours. So in between there is a time gap where the computer resources are being utilized and the electricity is being wasted. So in such cases, I thought of an application where we can remotely access our PC so that we can shut down our computer, do small tasks so that the energy will be conserved. Let me show you my application. The application title is TweetWits. Well, this is a basic interface of the application TweetWits. Initially, when we download, we need to configure it. This application uses the Twitter services to remotely access the PC using Twitter. After that, you have to press get pin. Well, the browser is taking some time. Actually, this process is called open authentication. Twitter is going to the open authentication process from August 16th, that is tomorrow. We need to enter our username and password. And we can see the Twitter is asking for the permission of TweetWits application. We have to press allow. After that, we'll be given a token number. This token number has to be copied and should be pasted in the application. Verify pin. This is in the background. There is some work going on regarding the authentication. See, we can see here successfully verified. My username is Spyharsh. Now we can see a basic interface where it's welcoming the user. Welcome Spyharsh. So now I switched on my TweetWits application. Now I am downloading something and I got some work and I went off. So my download somewhere it completes in about half an hour. So my work is somewhere around 2 hours. It takes 2 hours. So after half an hour or 45 minutes, I want to shut down my PC. So for that I can use my mobile phone. You can log in into the mobile phone using m.twitter.com, and when you send a small tweet, one second. Yeah. We can see here the tweet. Shut down. I am tweeting the command shut down. And the tweet has been successfully deleted. We can see that immediately the computer, we can see a message. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. The TweetWits application, which is in the desktop, at a regular interval of time, it will be updating. It will be checking for the tweets that will be sent by the user. So you have to access with the same user account that we are using in our mobile phone and in the PC. We can see within 1 minute the computer shut downs. In such a way, I related the commands like shutdown, restart, ping. Restart means the system will be restarted. Ping, it tells whether my TweetWits application is working or not. IP address, basically we may need to know our IP address when we are outside. So in such a cases, if I send a command tweet like IP from this Twitter IP, it returns me back the IP address of the computer. Before shutting down the process, the TweetWits application sends a tweet back. I'm actually refreshing the Twitter website of my user account Spyharsh. It sends me at what time the shutdown has taken place. Well, basically I developed this application using Microsoft C Sharp, using Visual Studio and C Sharp.NET Framework 3.5. Well, why Twitter is using open authentication is that the basic authentication has many security flaws. It's not secure, it's not reliable, and it's not it's not good to give our credential details like username and password to some third party we may not be knowing. So for such a type of things, we'll be doing this type of thing. We are using open authentication. We can see my computer has been shut down. In this way, the TweetWits application works. Thank you.